Important 2 marks questions of random variable and probability. Question number 1. A Poisson variable satisfies p of x is equals to 1 is equal to p of x is equals to 2. Find p of x is equals to 5. Okay. Solution. Given p of x is equals to 1 is equals to p of x is equals to 2. Okay. So p of x is equals to r formula is lambda to the power r e to the power of minus lambda r factorial. Okay, this is r. So this one also r and r value. Okay, so p of x is equals to 1 is equals to p of x is equals to 2. Okay, we have to use this formula here, but at the place of r we have to substitute 1 here, and here substitute 2 at the place of r. Okay, lambda to the power 1 e to the power of minus lambda, same as it is r factorial means 1 factorial. Similarly, lambda to the power r is 2 e power minus lambda upon r factorial is 2 factorial. Okay, so here e power minus lambda and e power minus lambda gets cancelled, and here lambda to the power 1 and here 2 lambdas are there, so cancel. Here 1 lambda will be left, so 1 upon 1, here 1 is there, and cross multiply 2 here, it will become 2 is equals to, here only lambda is left, so lambda value is 2 now. Okay, in the question it has given lambda is greater than 0, so lambda is equals to 2, that is greater than 0. Now we have to find p of x is equals to 5. The formula is p of x is equals to r lambda to the power r e to the power of minus lambda by lambda factorial. Okay, sorry, r factorial. So at the place of r we have to substitute 5, and at the place of lambda we have to substitute 2. 2 power 5 e to the power of minus 2 upon 5 factorial. This is r and this is lambda. Okay, 2 power 5 is nothing but 32. 2 power 5 is 32, e power minus 2. Okay, power is negative. So to make this power positive, we are taking this e in the denominator, e square. Okay, now the power is positive. 32 upon 5 factorial is nothing but 120. 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 120. Now cancel this. You will get 4 upon 15 e square. 8 4s are 32. 8 1s are 8. 8 5s are 40. Okay. 4 by 15 e square is the answer. Question number 2. 8 coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting 6 heads. Okay, let A be the event getting 6 heads. A is for getting 6 heads when 8 coins are tossed, and S be the sample space. Okay, we know the formula for probability does number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So this will be considered as total. So we are considering it as S for sample space and A for 6 heads. Okay, so finding n of S is equals to 2 to the power of n. 2 is nothing but when you toss a coin, you will get head or tail, only 2 outcomes. So we are writing 2 here, and how many times you are tossing? 8 times. So 2 power 8. 2 power 8 is nothing but 256. Okay, n of S is 256. Now we will find n of A. N of A is nothing but from 8 coins are tossing, and how many heads you should get? 6. So 8C6. 8C6 is nothing but NCR, that is n factorial upon n minus r factorial r factorial. 8 factorial, here n is 8 and 6 is r. 8 minus 6 and 6 factorial. 8 factorial, 8 minus 6 is 2 factorial, 6 factorials. 8 can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 factorial, because here 6 factorial is there. So we are writing till 6 factorial so that we can cancel this. Okay, 8 into 7 upon 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1, that is 2. Okay, now cancel. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Now 4 into 7 is 28 is the answer of n of A. Sorry, this is for n of A value. Now we have to find P of A. P of A is nothing but n of A upon n of S. N of A is 28 upon 256. Now cancel it. You will get 7 upon 64. 4 7s are 28. 4 6s are 24. 1 left. 4 4s are 16. So the answer is 7 upon 64. Question number 3. The mean and variance of binomial distribution are 4 and 3 respectively. Fix the distribution and find p of x greater than or equal to 1. Okay. Solution: p of x greater than or equal to 1 is nothing but 1 minus p of x is equals to 0. For this we must know the formula of p of x is equals to r, which is nothing but NCR p to the power of r q to the power of n minus r. Okay, so 1 minus p of x is equal to 0. It means at the place of r we have to substitute 0, 0, here 0, here 0, and we need n, p, q, the parameters of binomial distribution. Okay, let x follows a binomial distribution with parameters n, p, and q. Okay, so given mean is equals to 4, we know the formula for mean is np is equals to 4. In terms of n and p, mean is np is equals to 4 and variance is npq, which is equals to 3, already given. Okay, np is equals to 4, so at the place of np we are substituting 4. 4q is equals to 3, q is equals to 3 upon 4. This 4 goes in the denominator. Okay, so we got q value. Now we can get p is equals to 1 minus q. P formula is 1 minus q. So 1 minus q is 3 by 4. Okay, now take LCM. LCM will be 4. 4 will be multiplied here. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 3 upon 4 is equals to 1 by 4 is p value. Now we got p and q value. P value in this. Okay. NP is equals to 4. N into p value is 1 by 4 is equals to 4. Cross multiply, n is equals to 16. We can substitute in this also, you will get the same value. Okay, we got n, q and p value. Now we will substitute these values in this. P of x greater than or equal to 1 is equals to 1 minus p of x is equals to 0. So x is equals to r, formula is NCR p power r q to the power of n minus r. 1 minus n is 16, c r is 0, p is 1 by 4, r is 0, q is 3 by 4, whole to the power of n is 16 minus 0. Okay, just we are substituting the values. 1 minus 16c0 is nothing but 1. nc0 is 1. Okay, any number to the power 0 is always 1. 3 by 4 whole to the power of 16 minus 0 is 16. So 3 by 4 whole to the power of 16. 1 minus 3 by 4 whole to the power of 16 is the answer. Question number 4. For a binomial distribution with mean 6 and variance 2, find the first two terms of the distribution. Okay, so mean given np is equals to 6. Mean is 6. So formula for mean is np, which is equals to 6, and variance is 2, and the formula is npq is equals to 2. Okay, substituting this np value in this. Okay, np is nothing but 6. So 6q is equals to 2. Q is equals to 2 upon 6. 2 ones are 2 threes are, so 1 by 3. Q is equals to 1 by 3. Now for p value, the formula is 1 minus q. 1 minus 1 by 3. Q is 1 by 3. Now take LCM. LCM will be 3. 3 ones are 3. Minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 upon 3. We got q and p value. Now we want n. So we can substitute p here and you will get n value. np is equals to 6. N into p value is 2 by 3 is equals to 6. Multiply. N is equals to 6 into 3 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are 3 threes are 9. N is equals to 9. N is equals to 9. P is equals to 2 by 3. Q is equals to 1 by 3. We have to find first two terms of the distribution. Binomial distribution is nothing but q plus p whole to the power of n. Q is 1 by 3 plus p is 2 by 3 whole power n. Okay. The first term is NCR q to the power of n minus r p power r is the general term. Okay, if you want first term, we have to substitute r is equals to 0 at the place of r. Okay, and we know n is 9, 9c0, q is 1 by 3 whole to the power of n is 9, and p is 2 by 3 whole power 0, r is 0. Okay, here 9 minus 0 is 9. Now 9c0 is nothing but 1, and any number to the power 0 is also 1. This is also 1. Okay, so only 1 by 3 whole power 9 is left, so we can write it as 1 by 3 to the power 9. 1 power 9 is nothing but 1 only. Okay, so this is the first term. For second term, same formula, NCR q to the power of n minus r p to the power of r, but here r is equal to 1 now. We have substitute 0 for the first term, and for second term we have to substitute r is equals to 1. 9c1, n is 9, C 1 and Q is nothing but 1 by 3. 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, R is 1. P value is 2 by 3 to the power 1 is 2 by 3. Okay, 9C1 is nothing but 9. 1 by 3 power 8. This power goes both for numerator and denominator, but 1 power 8 is nothing but 1 only. 3 power 8 same as it is into 2 by 3. Okay, now after cancelling you will get 2 upon 3 power 7. See, 3 ones are 3, 3s are. Okay, here 8 3 is there. So here 3 power 7 will be left. This is the answer. Question number 5. Let x be a random variable such that p of x is equals to minus 2 is equals to p of x is equals to minus 1, p of x is equals to 2 is equals to p of x is equals to 1 is equals to 1 by 6. Okay, all the probabilities of x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 1, x is equals to 2, x is equals to 1 is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, and p of x is equal to 0 is different, that is 1 by 3. Then find the mean of x given this already given. Okay, therefore the range of the random variable is minus 2, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, writing in order minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 comma 2 is the range of a random variable x. Mean of x is, we have to find the mean of x. Multiply first with its probability and minus 1 with its probability, 0 with its probability. Okay, minus 2, first value is minus 2 into its probability, that is p of x is equals to minus 2, plus minus 1 into p of x is equals to minus 1, plus 0 p of x is equals to 0, plus 1 p of x is equals to 1, plus 2 p of x is equals to 2. Okay, now substitute the value of this. Minus 2, p of x is equals to minus 2 is 1 by 6. Minus 1, p of x is equals to minus 1 is also 1 by 6, plus 0 into p of x is equals to 0 is nothing but 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 into p of x is equals to 1 is 1 by 6, plus 2 into 1 by 6. Okay, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 by 6, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 by 6, plus 0 into something is 0, plus 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 minus 2 by 6 plus 2 by 6. So answer is 0. Question number 6. If the mean and variance of a binomial variable x are 2.4 and 1.44 respectively, find the parameters of the distribution x, that is binomial distribution. Okay, solution. X is following distribution, that is binomial distribution with the parameters n and p. For binomial distribution, the parameters are nothing but n and p. Okay, given mean and variance. Mean is equals to 2.4 and the formula is np is equals to 2.4, and variance is also given 1.44, that is npq is equals to 1.44. We have to find n and p, that are the parameters of binomial distribution. Okay, npq is equals to 1.44. We know np value, so at the place of np we are substituting 2.4 here. Q same as it is 1.44. Q is equals to 1.44, taking this 2.4 in the denominator. Okay, now writing in fraction, 1.44 can be written as 144 upon 100, because after decimal two numbers are there, so 2 zeros, upon 24 upon 10, because after decimal one number is there, so 10. 144 by 100 into, as there is a fraction in the denominator, so reciprocally 24 by 10 will become 10 by 24. Now cancel, 10 ones are 10, 10s are, okay, 12 twos are 12, 12s are, now 2 ones are 2, 6 are, so 6 upon 10 is left. We can write in decimal 0.6. So Q value is 0.6. Now for P, we can find P is equals to 1 minus Q is equals to 1 minus 0.6, which is equals to 0.4. So P is equals to 0.4. Now we want N. P is equal to 0.4, Q is equal to 0.6. We want N value. So substituting N P value in this formula, we can substitute in this also, that will become lengthy, so we are substituting in this. np is equals to 2.4, as we know the p value, and into p is 0.4 is equals to 2.4, n is equals to 2.4 upon 0.4. We can cancel this, because after converting this into fraction, it will become 24 by 10, it will become 4 by 10, 10 gets cancelled, so 24 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 6 are. So n is equal to 6. Therefore, the parameters of binomial distribution are n is equal to 6, p is equal to 0.4, and q is equal to 0.6 is the answer. Question number 7. The probability that a person chosen at random is left-handed in handwriting is 0.1. What is the probability that in a group of 10 people there is one who is left-handed? Okay, solution. Here given total people is n is equals to 10. So n is equals to 10 and the probability is 0.1. Now we can find q. 1 minus p formula. 1 minus p is nothing but 0.1. So 1 minus 0.1 is nothing but 0.9. P is 0.1, Q is 0.9 and N is equals to 10. We have to find P of X is equals to 1. One person who is left-handed out of 10 people. Okay. So we have the formula for this is P of X is equals to R is equals to NCR P power R Q power N minus R. Okay. R is nothing but one person. The probability of one person we have to find. So 1 is nothing but r and the total person is 10, that is n is equals to 10, and we got p value and q value. Just substitute in this formula. Okay, that is ncr, that is 10c1. Okay, 10c1 0.1 to the power 1, that is nothing but p power r q power n minus r. Okay, then 0.1 whole power is 0.1. 0.9, 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, 10, this can be written as 1 upon 10. 10 can get cancelled. 0.9 whole power 9. Okay, answer is 0.9 whole power 9 is the answer.